Sea snakes are a group of highly venomous snakes found in warm coastal waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Unlike their land-dwelling relatives, sea snakes are specially adapted to life in the ocean. They have paddle-like tails for swimming and can hold their breath for long periods, allowing them to dive deep underwater. There are around 70 species of sea snakes, and most of them are not aggressive toward humans. Despite their potent venom, they usually bite only when provoked. Sea snakes feed mainly on fish and eels, which they catch using their sharp fangs and fast strikes. Sea snakes play an important role in marine ecosystems and are Sea snakes are fascinating reptiles that live in the warm tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. They belong to the same family as cobras and krites, and most species are extremely venomous. However, sea snakes are generally shy and pose little threat to humans unless they are disturbed or handled. One of the most unique features of sea snakes is their ability to live entirely in the water. Unlike land snakes, they have flattened bodies and paddle-like tails that help them swim gracefully. Some species can stay underwater for up to 2 hours by absorbing oxygen through their skin. Although they still need to surface to breathe air, sea snakes feed mainly on small fish, eels, and other marine animals. They hunt using their sharp vision and excellent sense of smell, injecting venom quickly to immobilize their prey. Despite their dangerous venom, sea snake bites are rare, especially because most species are not aggressive. There are two main types of sea snakes: true sea snakes, which spend their entire lives in water, and sea krites, which come to land occasionally to rest, digest food, or lay eggs. Unlike many reptiles, true sea snakes give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. Sea snakes play an important role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. As predators, they help control fish populations and contribute to ocean biodiversity. Unfortunately, like many marine animals, they face threats from pollution, habitat destruction, and accidental capture in fishing nets. In recent years, researchers have become more interested in sea snakes, not only for their ecological importance but also for the potential medical uses of their venom in pain relief and disease treatment. Neating example of how animals can adapt to extreme environments. Sea snakes have developed several incredible adaptations that help them survive in the harsh marine environment. For example, their nostrils are located on the top of their snouts and can close tightly to prevent water from entering while diving. Their lungs are also unusually long, running almost the entire length of their body, which helps them stay underwater for extended periods. Some sea snakes have a special gland under their tongue that removes excess salt from their bodies, an essential adaptation for living in saltwater. Their scales are often small or absent, which reduces friction while swimming. Although sea snakes usually live alone, they can sometimes be seen in large groups during mating season or when following schools of fish. They are often active during the day, but some species hunt at night. Sea snakes are commonly found in coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds. These areas provide plenty of hiding spots and abundant food sources. Some species prefer shallow coastal waters, while others live in deeper parts of the ocean. They are widely distributed from the coasts of India and Southeast Asia to Australia and the Pacific Islands. One of the most well-known species, the banded sea krite, is often seen near coral reefs and is known for its striking black and white bands. Although sea snakes are not as well known as other marine animals, they are an important part of the ocean ecosystem. Sadly, many species are now facing threats from human activities. Pollution, plastic waste, and oil spills can harm sea snakes directly or damage their habitats. In some places, they are also hunted for their skin or caught accidentally in fishing gear. Efforts are being made by scientists and conservationists to study sea snakes more closely and raise awareness about their importance. Protecting coral reefs and reducing ocean pollution are key steps in ensuring the survival of these unique creatures.